Don't use drugs. But drugation is different from meditation. Drugation will injure the finest nerve channel, pranic channel, but meditation will allow it to flow properly. Many of you think that you will have experience, you will have some unusual, you can have some unusual experience. I can give you unusual experience. Come to the roof and I'll push you from there. Just like drug. Take pills and you will have that type of experience. But it's not healthy, it's not injurious. What will happen to you there, after that, you know that. In meditation, don't use drug and then do meditation. Many of you did it before. Now, I don't think you do it. But if someone tells you, it is not going to help you. Though Patanjali talks about this. But when Patanjali is talking about it, he is talking in a different sense. I will come to that point.